Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to today's episode on Relationship Matters. My name is Favour, and in today's episode, I'll be speaking on the topic five things that men find attractive in women. That is a powerful topic, okay? So, if that sounds interesting or sounds like what you want to hear, please journey with me to the end of this video. Please listen. Before any man approaches you, before any man asks your hand in marriage or relationship, there are these things that attracts him towards you. Okay, out of 1 million persons or 1 million ladies in a gathering, there's these qualities that attract a guy, that single you out from millions of persons. What are they? Number one, your smile. Your smile can put a man on to knowing you. So before I go, I will say smile makes you appreciable. It makes people feel comfortable with you, around you, okay? So when you come into a gathering and you just smile, good day, sir, good day, ma, you're simply a kind of advertising yourself strategically, okay? And no man will resist a lovely smile. Number two, your lovely voice. Your sweet, wonderful, and lovely voice can draw a man's attention to knowing you. So, considering that men have deep voice, they are easily triggered by soft tone they hear. Okay, so I want to say, if you want to have something or you want to gain something from a man, you are requesting something from a man. If you request with a harsh tone, it's not gonna give you. But if you apply the power, the force of soft, lovely tone, I tell you, no man will deny you of that request. So you have that power, you have that force in you. Maximize the use of your soft, lovely tone, okay? And number three, low makeup. A lot of people think it's all about foundation, Mary Kay, Zika, blush, and all that. No, I'll tell you, men love women on low makeup, so we should try as much as possible to keep it low and retain that natural look, okay? Your long hair. A lot of people don't know that, or a lot of girls don't know that men love women on long hairs. I mean, long hairs. They get attracted, they easily get attracted to that. So, if you are not used to making long hair, do that. So, the last but not the least, your bright and white teeth, as mine. You can see it. Yeah, this can bright and white teeth can put a man on, and it's an indication that you are healthy and you are neat. Imagine you speaking with a guy for the first time, and this kind of bad odor coming out from your mouth. What does that show? It simply shows that you are dirty and you are not neat. Okay, so bright and white teeth, I mean teeth that is neatly brushed, gain you confidence. When you ask is for more